Raleigh? Oh, no thanks. I have a pack. Well, I didn't know you'd switch. I just did. Why? I got embarrassed borrowing yours. Besides, I like that Raleigh taste. Oh, don't do that. Why not? The coupon. Save the Raleigh coupon. What for? What for? These flower shears? That lawn sprinkler? I got them free. Free for Raleigh coupons. So if you're not saving that coupon, I'll take it. Oh, no, you don't. I'll just keep the coupon.